Hi, this is Himadri from India. Actually, 5 to 6 months back, I was gaining so much weight due to hormonal imbalance, unhealthy lifestyle, and due to lots of medical problems. And I consulted with my doctor, and he suggested me immediate weight loss. And I was trying lots of things with lots of places, but I was gaining 2 to 3 kgs, but after that it was not happening actually. So I was so much depressed and frustrated, I didn't know what to do. On that time my family doctor referred me to go to Dr. Atin Banerje. And I have came over here, and with Atin's consultation I have reduced 30 kgs within 6 months. I was 122 when I have came over here, when I took the consultation of Atin sir, and now I am 92. And when I came over here, I was having lots of medical problems like high BP, high cholesterol, high fatty liver at high risk, and also high sugar. But now my all the problems have decreased, and I'm not taking any medicines. So I'm so happy that for this transformation, and thank you Atin sir to being with me. And also I have lost 25 inches from my belly. So thank you so much sir, and I know it's a journey from fat to fit, and I want your suggestions and consultation in the future endeavor also, and I'm so much grateful to you sir. Thanks a lot for being with me in this weight loss transformation. Thank you sir.
Call me now for weight loss and pain management. ATIN'S now near Kalighat Metro.